Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best odor control cat litter crystals available on the market, the COCOYO Crystal Cat Litter. If you're a cat owner looking for low-maintenance, high-performance litter, then stay tuned for everything you need to know in the next 5 minutes. Let's start with the basics. This particular pack from COCOYO includes 4 individual 4.3-pound bags, giving you a total of 17.2 pounds of silica gel-based cat litter. But what makes this product truly stand out isn't just the quantity, it's the quality and effectiveness in real-world use. First off, odor control. This litter doesn't just mask smells, it eliminates them. The silica gel crystals are ultra-absorbent, capable of pulling moisture from both urine and solid waste quickly. This moisture-absorbing action is what makes it so effective at killing odors before they spread. In fact, COCOYO claims their formula removes odors 5 times faster than traditional clumping clay litter. For households with sensitive noses, or guests who prefer not to know you have a cat, this is a game-changer. Next up, let's talk about longevity. One 4.3-pound bag of COCOYO litter can last up to 30 days for a single cat household. That's right, 1 bag, 1 month, no problem. That's less time scooping and more time actually enjoying the company of your furry friend. With the full 17.2-pound pack, you're essentially covered for 4 months, depending on how many cats you have. And because it's non-toxic and unscented, it's great even for cats that are sensitive to fragrances or chemicals. Another big benefit of silica litter is how little mess it creates. COCOYO's crystals are designed to be low-tracking and 99% dust-free. If you're tired of finding little pieces of litter all over your floors or dealing with clouds of dust every time you refill the box, this is definitely an upgrade. The microcrystals are smooth, comfortable on your cat's paws, and they don't cling to fur or get carried around the house. It's a cleaner experience all around. Now, let's talk weight and value. Each bag is only 4.3 pounds, lightweight and easy to carry, pour, and store. But don't let the lightweight fool you. Each bag goes toe-to-toe with a standard 15-pound bag of traditional clay litter in terms of how long it lasts. So not only are you getting better performance, you're also getting better value for the money and way less strain on your back. For those of you watching from outside the US, yes, this product ships internationally. However, do keep in mind that there is a shipping and import charge, so check that before placing your order. And if you act quickly, there's even a current offer where you can get 4 for the price of 3 using a promo code at checkout. COCOYO Crystal Cat Litter is a fantastic choice if you're seeking superior odor control, minimal mess, and long-lasting performance. Its unscented, low-dust silica formula makes it suitable for even the most finicky felines, and its month-long longevity means less litter box stress for you. Add the fact that it's lightweight and easy to use, and it's clear why this product earns the title of Best Odor Control Cat Litter Crystals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth product breakdown. This is Product Critique, giving you the clarity you need to shop smart. See you in the next one.